Chapter 11, The Past. Learn with me. Simple past tense. Read the sentence. I visited my grandmother last Sunday. We use the simple past tense to describe actions that happened and were completed at a specific time in the past. These actions are no longer ongoing, and we often mention when they occurred. For example, yesterday, last night, in 2020, etc. How to form the simple past tense? 1. For most verbs, we add ed to the base form. Walk, walked. Talk, talked. 2. Irregular verbs change in different ways. Go, went. See, saw. Statement. I walked to school. Negative. I did not, didn't walk to school. Question. Did you walk to school? Statement. They played football. Negative. They did not, didn't play football. Question. Did they play football? Learn with me. Past continuous tense. Read the sentence. I was reading a book at 7 p.m. yesterday. The past continuous tense describes an action that was happening at a specific time in the past. This action continued for a while but is now finished. How to form the past continuous tense? Subject plus was, were plus verb plus ing. Was is used with he, she, it, I. Were is used with you, we, they. Examples: I was walking by the roadside. They were playing football. Statement: I was reading a book. Negative: I was not, wasn't reading a book. Question: were you reading a book? Statement: they were playing outside. Negative: they were not, weren't playing outside. Question: were they playing outside? Additional insight. Past perfect tense. While learning about the simple past and past continuous tense, it is also helpful to understand the past perfect tense, which is used to describe actions completed before another past action. Examples: I had finished my homework before the guests arrived. By the time it started to rain, we had reached home.